guys, we're slime specialists, and today we're going to teach you how to make slime. But first, make sure you have adult supervision.
What's up, guys? Today I'm back with my two nieces and we're making
slime.
I don't know what I'm doing. These girls are slime
specialists.
We got the certificates to prove it, y'all. Safety first.
So you will need popsicle sticks to mix, food coloring, which is optional, any color, some glitter glue, have a couple, and Model Magic Clay for butter slime.
Elmer's glue, containers to keep your slime in, a clear bowl, some shaving cream or shaving foam for your fluffy slime, Sta-Flo as your activator or a contact solution or detergent, and foam beads, optional. I'm gonna go ahead and be making fluffy slime. So, as you already saw, the ingredients that we're being eating is like there. So, let's start by pouring the glue. This is optional if you want. So, yeah. I'm gonna add a few drops of food coloring. This is optional. I'd rather use paint, but oh my god. Let me just add that. I'm using a popsicle or a mixing tool. You can use anything.
Okay, so we're gonna add some shaving cream. This is supposed to be her part.
Okay. And now I'm gonna go crazy.
Oh my god, okay,
let me mix it from here. This is where to come. This is where to come.
That's good enough.
I need a spatula. Stat.
Here.
Thank you. This is so concentrating. This is so, oh my god. Yeah.
It looks good to eat. Is this edible?
No. Yes, and another thing, do not eat this.
This is not edible.
At all. Can we extra?
Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious.
I don't think that's gonna fit in the container.
I'm pretty sure it is. And one more drop.
Oh my god.
Oops.
There are no drops with food color.
Okay. Oh god, it's gonna turn red. One more time.
Are you kidding? Oh my god.
Alright, that's it. I think
Whose shaving cream is that?
hers.
Oh, your dad's gonna be mad. He can't shave his beard.
No, he doesn't even use it.
No?
He doesn't?
I bought it myself.
Oh,
My
Oh yeah, independent girl. Whoop.
Well, my money.
Okay, so I'm done. Yeah, this is probably not gonna fit in my container, but still, it's gonna fit.
Is that the slime?
No, we need the activator.
Activator.
Oh.
Oh wait, no, I want to add a little bit, a tiny pinch of glitter. You know. Oh.
Y'all see?
Ooh, I'm telling your mom.
Oh, like there's some glitter in here. Like a little bit, please. Don't go all out. Don't go. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is how it looks when you mix all the ingredients in the fluffy slime, everything. Okay, so now we're gonna add our activator, which is going to be Sta-Flo. Sta-Flo, please. Thank you. Can you like hold this? Okay. Now this part you can also eyeball. So like,
Please don't dump that whole bottle.
Most of it. Oh my god, this is so much. I made so much. This is not gonna fit in the container. I'm gonna have to throw some out. Where's slime? Okay, this is not ready yet.
This looks like something.
Dunk! I dunked a whole bunch. Oh my god, there's so much Sta-Flo in here. Well, use as much as you can. You got more shaving cream.
Oh my god.
Am I gonna need that in mine?
No.
Okay.
I'm the only one who needs it anyway.
No, I put Sarah put shaving cream when it was already getting activated. So now
I'll dunk more activator.
Don't put a lot. It's already getting like. Get up.
Okay, so we're just like kneading the slime. It's like so sticky.
What?
Okay, wait. Let me.
That's so much slime. It's not gonna fit in the container. Oh yeah. This is better than her.
Better than her? Who's her?
Oh, like the other slime. Her other slime.
Why is it so messy?
Why is this the shaving cream that you added after?
I know.
I didn't know it was gonna be this messy.
Yeah, because your friend wants to add more shaving cream.
Yeah, you.
Look, see, this is coming together. No, it's coming together. I need no more glue. This is coming together. All this slime. I've never made this much slime before. This is my biggest amount. It feels like brain.
How do you know?
Oh, I touched brain before.
This slime is huge.
I added too much of everything.
You think?
It's not stretchy at all.
Let me touch it. Is it less sticky?
Yes. Say. Yeah, it's less sticky.
You see, it's like not
wet.
It's very stringy.
Yeah.
Why is it so wet?
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
Is that the?
I don't know what happened.
I hate my life.
I hate my life.
I hate my life.
This is a fail.
Big fail. Well, it was worth a try, right?
Yeah, but what if you guys' slimes come out and mine doesn't?
It happens. It's life.
Gee, thanks. I feel so much better now.
It's life, woman.
Jeez, you could use all of our containers. It is not gonna fit, girl. Don't even try. Girl, look, show the camera.
No, we need to
show the camera.
This is what I'm taking home. Look at this. Look how much slime I made. This is my slime.
Stay still. I swear if this
Stay still. Try to put the other one on top.
It's falling.
Peace out, dogs. Don't do what I did.
Okay, so I will be making butter slime. So you will need the Model Magic clay, some glue, and shaving cream is optional.
Optional.
Optional. Is that how you want me to say it?
Yeah, because this one loves the shaving cream.
I think that's good.
I think that's
Just gonna put the rest of this. It's not coming out.
Oh my god, this got colored.
All right. So then I'm gonna put some shaving cream. Put some shaving
Can I do a swirl?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Tiny swirl.
Alright. I got you like you did before.
Mariah, watch her.
Tiny swirl.
Watch you.
Dang,
I don't think there's any left.
I'm so sorry.
It was a dollar. So then you're just gonna mix this. So I'm gonna use the Sta-Flo.
That I'm gonna help her with. No, just kidding. Trying to add some color to it. You want it red or pink?
Whatever that makes.
Should I get all the sides, everything? You want to get everything?
No. You don't touch this.
Hold on. Dudes. You're supposed to do all the mixing it, and I wasn't mixing anything. This is arm work, people, so get ready for our arm workout.
So, explain why you're using the Sta-Flo. What does it do?
Activates it.
The slime.
To do what?
And it's
so like become so it could stick together, so it like becomes like solid kind of thing.
slime.
So it makes it more liquidy? It makes it more liquidy?
Kinda not. Like it's
It
kind of
brings everything together.
kinda like a solid. Still sticky.
Give 'em the
I
spatula.
don't wanna do it. You're doing the Sta-Flo already.
No, wait,
Or else
woman.
I do the Sta-Flo.
I think this is good.
Alright, so I want to go get you know, paper towel so you could wipe our hands on.
Start mixing. I'm kneading the slime so it's not as sticky. I'm gonna keep adding the Sta-Flo to make it slime.
Anyway, so when she has made her slime and it has been like very fluffy like my slime. So
Yeah, great slime.
yeah, my great slime.
You made it.
After many days of hard work, we made it.
Yeah. We made it.
So yeah, we made it.
This is
So yeah, that's what it looks like so far.
yeah. I still I'm gonna decorate it, so I'm gonna add some glitter.
So am I.
Then I'm gonna add this purple glitter.
Okay, that's it.
Amaze balls.
So we all just added, well, the both of us just added like, amaze balls! Are you catching this?
Okay, so this is my swirl. Nice and pretty.
And this is my perfect
Are you getting
slime.
this? Are you getting this, beauty? Let's add some glitter. Oh my god.
See, the glitter doesn't affect it at all.
This is wonderful. I love it. Okay, I still need to add the clay to make a butter slime.
Yes, and she's making butter slime.
So, just mixing this. Right, so I'm going to add the whole thing.
Make sure to do piece by piece, because if you add the whole thing in, it's going to be hard to like,
I'm going to add this little piece.
like it's going to be hard to like put it in.
Okay, so this is the finished product
add more
of
shaving
the
cream.
butter slime. No. Oh, okay.
You
that
almost
happens.
hit my face.
You could put more lotion in
Or
it to
drink
make it
one more
soft.
food coloring.
Are you done with this one?
Yes, this is.
All right, now we're gonna do the final one, which is the glitter slime with Joshie.
Let's get on with the.
Let's get on with the glitter slime.
Teach me, oh wise one.
Hey, where am I gonna sit?
You can stand right here.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and be making her
Too tall.
glitter slime.
Yeah.
So you wanna add the purple one instead of the green, or you
No,
wanna
but
add
there's
both?
not enough.
Oh wait, where's my goggles?
So do you wanna add both?
Wanna add both?
So what do we do? Add this?
Ew, that looks like boogers.
I know, pickle
Good,
juice.
I like it.
Ew, you like boogers?
No. Okay, now what?
Wait, add no glitter.
All of it, Mariah?
No.
Silver glitter.
Okay, put some silver.
Well, if there's extra like glue in here, we'll probably add it later.
Now what?
Okay,
Mix.
you want that much?
Here.
Yeah, you can mix that. And then shaving cream.
I'll
I'll go easy on it.
Yeah,
I promise. Okay, so she's
Kinda
mixing
like
her
that pickle
slime in,
juice.
and then while continue to stir it.
Don't put a lot because it's just. Do you want shaving cream in? No, not that much.
I know, I'm not.
That's it.
You left the little thing behind. Well, there's gonna be some leftover in here anyway. Look,
Now it
look,
really looks like pickled juice.
we add the rest of this.
That was funny.
There's some glue.
Can she do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you want
Calm down.
Yeah.
You're like, can she do that?
That almost went in your mouth.
I was like,
Her mouth was wide open.
So right now. So, oh wow, I didn't know you sneezed glitter.
Yes, girl.
So right now it's actually looking like some kind of like chocolate, like melted chocolate.
Yes.
green melted chocolate.
Like
Ew.
green food coloring with glitter, edible glitter.
I like this color.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's like the original color of slime. Green.
Yeah, basic.
No.
This looks like Nickelodeon slime.
Yeah, she wants her slime to look like that.
Yeah, I want to look like the 90s slime. What you do about that?
90s people had slime?
I don't trust her with the shaving cream.
Just because you want it to be like the texture like mine, so it's supposed to be like this.
Like yours?
Yeah, like mine.
Yeah, like hers? Sure. Be careful. That's enough. You're going to mess mine up.
I can't whisk it.
Whisk it. Whisk it real good. Now what? Now what?
Okay, so now if you want, you can add the activator.
Mariah.
I could go from here.
Yeah. No.
I promise.
Please don't mess mine up. Jara,
Wait, let
you
me
messed mine up.
Okay, wait.
Please.
Mariah, help.
Mariah,
No, she messed it up.
Calm down, calm down. I got
This is still so sticky. Look at this. Look at this. You still need more liquid starch. Girl, I didn't mess it up here.
What are you doing? Why are you putting more?
because it's still sticky. I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm the master here.
I told you guys should have listened to me.
No, but
If you add a little bit more liquid starch, it looks better. Look, watch it come together. Watch it come together.
Screaming. I'm right here. She's screaming at me.
Watch it come together, yeah!
Yeah, I'm right here.
See, it's perfect!
It's gone.
This is good.
You sure?
Exactly. Oh my god, exactly.
Don't touch it.
This is
Don't
so-
touch my slime.
Okay, add more Sta-Flo. Add more Sta-Flo.
Stop! See, I'm continuing to knead it over.
Help me, help me.
Really bad.
Yeah, Mariah's. I have nothing to be blamed for. So if it doesn't come out, put that doubt all on Mariah.
Oops. I got this. Wait. Oh my god, this is so cool. Do you see this? This is beautiful.
Is it?
Really?
I don't
You
know.
can't see it?
You can't see? You're blind?
Can I touch it now? My slime.
I'm activating it.
Sorry,
She's
specialist.
using-
Sorry, specialist. Now, what do I do?
Play with
Too much responsibility.
Look, it came out for me. For me, it came out.
It's super sticky.
Oh no!
Mine
Give
is.
me this.
Ah! It looks like it hurts.
Are you ready for
Oh
this
my
big
God, look at this.
responsibility?
Yes.
I grant you
Snot.
snot.
Oh, slime.
Yeah, whisk it. You whisk it. You whisk it. You whisk.
Okay, so mine's is good now.
Is it
Should
still
I add
sticky?
the balls in there?
Is it still sticky? Yeah, she can add the beads. It's still sticky.
This.
Yeah, give me.
Open it, but make sure you don't explode, please.
You want to add the beads or you want to leave it like that?
Go ahead. I know.
Add them in there, and then. Oh, you want to make a crunchy slime?
I've been waiting for this day. Okay, so this is the container.
Yeah. So and then once you put your certain amount of slime in,
You want to
should
do
turn
it
like
or you want me to
this.
do it?
I'll do it.
No, give me a little piece.
What the heck is happening?
Why does
Should I just throw it in there?
No, you have to be
It's like a little bug.
Okay.
be very careful. You can't just slap it in there.
Yeah, you have to like do. Let the professionals handle.
No.
it.
Okay. All right. Let go.
Oh my god, that's so crunchy. I want more of this thing.
So this is what it is.
Okay, so we're done.
Oh my god.
We're
This
done.
is the final product.
Alright, so we're gonna think about doing some
Ta-da.
tricks, right?
Alright guys, that's it. That's our slime.
Let me do tricks.
Butter.
Glitter, crunchy.
And fluffy.
Ooh. Now you too can be a slime specialist. Am I a specialist yet?
Yeah.
You need some work.
Yeah, you need a little.
True.
Here's
Guys,
work
listen.
like us.
3.
Okay, last but not least, guys, make sure to store your slime.
Make sure it's shut, completely shut, so it won't dry out.
Mine's not gonna fit.
So every time when you take it out of your container, just like a few tips. So when you take it out of your container, it might be a little hard or like sturdy because it's been in the container for a while. So you might want to like put your fingers into it so then it looks like this. So
put your fingers into
put
it like
your
this.
fingers into it and it will kind of like spread out more and it become like the way it was the first time you made it.
And if the slime is hard or not stretchy, you could put lotion in it to make it nice and stretchy.
Yeah, and just in case if you want to learn how to do some tricks, to make a swirl, you just fold it in half, like continue to fold it in half until you get all these lines, and until you're satisfied. Make it in a circle, like this, and crunch. all glue.
What?
Did you start?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
First, make sure you have both.
And plus, you don't want to over activate it, I guess you could say, because then it becomes like the easier it's easier to get. I think like
Something's always falling.
This is so bad. Never again will I make this.
Can't touch it.
This is a fail.
Oh no, this is probably a fail. I
We
want
need
it
more
to be
glue.
extra fluffy.
Should I pour some?
Yeah, can you pour some more glue in
It's
first?
this one.
No, in here, like in all.
This one. You got old quick.
I have some burn.
How much? How much?
Oh, like a lot.
Okay,
Okay, that's good.
Oh my god, that's gonna
Use
be
the spatula.
Yeah, use the spatula.
Okay, yeah, you should have told me earlier because I got it all over. Oh, wait, hold on.
Let's
See
check
if you can make it bubble.
It's too hard.
It's too hard. It looks like a brain if you add all the strings. So while I'm stirring, you should add the Sta-Flo. Sta-Flo.
The Sta-Flo.
Sta-Flo.
Alright, what's the next step?
Play with it.
Well, you add the clay, of course.
Yeah, you. We didn't record that part, or did we?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, I was so scared. I was like, are you getting this masterpiece?
You can make slime. You could also.
Let her talk.
Make.
That didn't say whisper. I said let her talk.
Oh my god, I thought it got on my hair because the thing is like.
Oh my god.
Let me put it on my head.
You did put it on your head because you did it to me.
No.
You did it to me.
Okay, wait.
I swear, I promise. I'll be nice and gentle.
Oh, don't take it off.
No. It's fine.
So this is what happens after we make the slime.
What?
No, there's no more glue.
I used it all.
Glitter, you butthole. That's so funny.
How's your bubble?
She is. She used all my glitter.
I did not.
Just kidding. Give me that paper.
You want it now?
Am I
Yes.
supposed to keep mixing it?
Yes, you're supposed to keep mixing
I
it.
needed this to open the bottle. Jared!
Wait, hold on. Where's the cap to the Sta-Flo first? So, because if this thing gets knocked over by me, I don't want to be blamed.
Yeah.
Okay, let's test it.
No, wait.
I have 2 little bolitas. Oh, it feels so. Wait, hold on.
Too little. Ooh. Ah. Woo!
Yeah, but
Like a tornado.
I need a 2-person thing.
I
Yeah, you can also do the tornado.
Hold it close to the camera. Ayy. Ooh.
And so you're gonna pull it,
Yeah,
and you're gonna slowly, and woo!